China's $100 billion gamble in Dubai. Is this the future of global infrastructure? With China at the forefront of construction innovation, a monumental railway project in Dubai promises not only to reshape the city's skyline, but also to redefine international transportation standards. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this ambitious venture and its implications for the world's economic landscape. China leads global construction with advanced tech and skilled engineers, shaping vast infrastructure for economic growth. Notably, their innovative projects, like dual-purpose highways and underwater tunnels, highlight expertise. Recently, China secured a $100 billion railway project in affluent Dubai, showcasing a 12,200-kilometer super railway. Aligned with UAE's Vision 2030, the EAD Railway bolsters economic diversification and growth. Dubai stands out among global cities for its remarkable beauty, largely due to its penchant for constructing extravagant megastructures, showcasing its wealth to the world. This railway endeavor epitomizes Dubai's ambition and opulence, representing one of its grandest projects. The Gulf Cooperation Council, comprising 6 member states, initiated a study in 2004 to explore the feasibility of a regional railway network. However, it wasn't until 5 years later that concrete steps were taken. In June 2009, EAD Rail was established following the enactment of Federal Law No. 2, with the mandate to oversee the development, construction, and operation of the United Arab Emirates' inaugural national rail system, catering to both passengers and freight. This ambitious network aims to seamlessly connect the UAE's principal industrial and residential hubs with neighboring rail networks within the Gulf Cooperation Council. This railway venture is not only set to unify all 7 emirates, but also to foster trade and societal progress within the emirate and throughout the GCC region. Valued at approximately $14 billion, the project is predominantly financed by Emirates, with the remainder covered by the government of Abu Dhabi and the UAE federal government. Spanning 1,200 kilometers, this rail infrastructure constitutes a pivotal component of the $100 billion Gulf Cooperation Council's GCC Rail Initiative, designed to establish connectivity between the UAE and neighboring nations, including Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, and Oman. The western segment of the railway connects with Saudi Arabia, while the eastern section links with Oman, traversing through the Emirates and passing prominent cities like Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and Dubai, before extending northward. The initial phase, completed in 2016, inaugurated operations along a 264-kilometer route connecting the Liwa and Shah Inland gas fields with the port town of Ruwais. This route efficiently transports granular sulfur from southern Abu Dhabi to Al Ruwaiz's industrial hub for processing and export, capable of handling 22,000 tons of sulfur daily across 110 wagons. Managed by Etihad RlD&x, a joint venture between EAD Rail and Deutsche Bahn, this phase primarily serves the Abu Dhabi National Oil Company. Since its inception, the route has transported around 30 million tons of sulfur with no injuries or significant delays, showcasing its efficiency. Each train journey eliminates the need for 300 trucks, resulting in an impressive 80% decrease in carbon dioxide emissions. The railway project encompasses various components, including communication systems, bridge construction, and the central railway depot in Murfa, vital for maintenance and operations. Contracts for this phase were awarded in 2018, with construction starting in 2020 and the first track laid in 2021. The second phase of the EAD Railway stretches 605 kilometers from Guwaifat on the Saudi border to Fujairah on the UAE's east coast. Commencing construction in early 2021, the phase was proudly completed on February 28, 2023, extending the total line length to 900 kilometers. With adherence to international standards, the network features 38 locomotives and over 1,000 wagons capable of transporting diverse freight at 4,500 horsepower, establishing it as one of the most robust freight train engines in the Middle East. These trains reach speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour and are engineered to withstand desert terrain and extreme climates for optimal performance. Collaboration from 11 contractors, 25 consultants, and 28,000 individuals totaling 133 million man-hours was crucial for the project's completion. The network spans various terrains, requiring construction of 593 bridges, 9 tunnels, and excavation of 120 million cubic meters of earth and rock. The second phase, known as Package A, involves constructing a 139-kilometer line connecting Guwaifat to Ruwais, linking the UAE and Saudi Arabia via the first phase of the network. This phase's design and construction contract were awarded to a joint venture between China State Civil Engineering Corporation and SK Engineering and Construction Company of Korea. Packages B and C, covering engineering and construction from the first phase to Abu Dhabi and Dubai, respectively, are managed jointly by China Railway Construction Corporation and Gantu General Contracting and Transport Company. Package B spans 168 kilometers, linking Taref to Shah, Shuaib, and Package C extends from Shah, Shuaib to Sharjah for 94 kilometers, with a branch to Jebel Ali. Package D, 145 kilometers long, will connect to Fujairah's port. In the subsequent phase, Package C traverses from the Dubai-Sharjah border through Sharjah, Fujairah, and Ras Al Khaimah. The contract for Package D was awarded to a joint venture between China Railway Construction Corporation and National Construction and Project Company, NPC. This phase includes constructing 35 bridges, 32 underpasses, and 15 tunnels, totaling 16 kilometers through the Al Hajar Mountains using blast tunneling technology. Transitioning from freight to passenger services, the network aims to transport 36.5 million passengers daily between major UAE cities by 2030. Integrated with smart transport solutions, travel times will be significantly reduced, enabling journeys from Abu Dhabi to Dubai in 50 minutes and Abu Dhabi to Fujairah in 100 minutes. Passenger trains will operate at speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, accommodating approximately 400 passengers each. Prime Minister Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid hailed the railway program as the UAE's most significant project for the next 50 years. Rashid Al Molla, Director of Technical Coordination at EAD Rail, emphasized that EAD Rail will revolutionize transportation of goods and people across the UAE, enhancing efficiency and facilitating increased regional trade. Luxurious passenger trains, part of a new deal with Italy's Arsenal, will travel between the Liwa Desert and Abu Dhabi, and from Abu Dhabi to the Emirate of Fujairah, comprising 15 lavish wagons featuring designs inspired by UAE culture. These trains will be constructed in southern Italy. They will traverse Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and Fujairah, offering scenic views of mountains, seas bordering Oman, and the Liwa Desert. The first passenger station will be in Fujairah, connecting 11 regions from Al Ain to Fujairah. EAD Rail has signed a preliminary agreement with Uber for logistics, with over two-thirds of routes completed. While no start date for passenger service has been announced, once operational, the EAD Rail network will span 1,200 kilometers, linking the UAE with neighboring countries. The Etihad Railway aligns with Abu Dhabi Economic Vision 2030, aiming to diversify the region's economy and foster socio-economic growth. The EAD Railways network is poised to become a catalyst for economic growth, with anticipated benefits of up to $200 billion for the country. By significantly reducing transport costs for industries across the GCC region, EAD Railways will drive growth and enhance market competitiveness. These cost savings will enable businesses to contribute more substantially to the Middle East's economic expansion. Additionally, the railway is expected to offer a sustainable alternative for both freight and passenger transport, leading to fewer automobile accidents on the country's roads. It's estimated that this transition to rail could prevent 670 collisions and 52 fatalities annually, resulting in a projected benefit of 20 billion dirhams over 40 years. Upon completion, the EAD Railway is expected to accommodate around 36.5 million daily passengers and 50 million tons of cargo, significantly reducing road transport emissions. This aligns with the UAE's commitment to the Net Zero 2050 agenda, aiming to annually reduce CO2 emissions in road transport by up to 21%, thus combating climate change and fostering sustainability. With forecasted traffic volumes, the rail network could curtail greenhouse gas emissions by over 2.2 million tons per year, equivalent to removing up to 375,000 vehicles from the road. What role will massive infrastructure developments play in shaping the future of global connectivity and economic growth? Feel free to share your thoughts and perspectives in the comments section below. Don't forget to become a part of the Revel Discovery community, by hitting that subscribe button to stay informed about the latest technological advancements and innovations. Explore endless tech possibilities for an exciting future.